Cleaning an outdoor air conditioning coil correctly restores airflow and efficiency while preventing premature system failure. Start by cutting power to the unit at the disconnect and circuit breaker so you never work on live equipment. Remove the fan assembly only after noting blade orientation and wiring positions, so you can reinstall them exactly the same way. Use a commercially formulated coil or evaporator and condenser cleaner and apply it evenly to the fins and tubing, letting the product dwell for the time specified on the label to break down grime and biological growth. Rinse the coil from the inside out using a low-pressure garden hose or a pump sprayer set to a gentle spray to move debris away from the condenser rather than deeper into it. Never use a pressure washer on the fins because the high pressure easily bends or tears the delicate fins and reduces heat transfer. After rinsing, inspect for remaining residue and rinse the cabinet exterior to remove chemicals that could corrode metal. Allow the coil to dry before reassembling the fan and restoring power. 3 common mistakes are using a pressure washer, skipping the fan removal, and leaving chemical residue on external surfaces. People who pressure wash will often damage fins and create airflow restrictions, so always use low pressure and a wide spray pattern to protect fin integrity. Skipping fan removal can prevent proper access to the coil and risk motor or blade damage, so take the time to unbolt the assembly, label connections, and set the fan safely aside. Leaving chemical residue on the cabinet or nearby painted surfaces speeds corrosion, so rinse thoroughly and wipe down accessible painted areas after cleaning is finished. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who take on condenser cleaning and broader maintenance work by listing providers and services near you. We connect contractors with job opportunities and host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post real experiences with maintenance tasks.